So I bought some cheap little pink $4 speakers from Bianca Moore's. It's an Overstock or whatever store kind of thing. They had a little amplifier board in them that runs off 5-volt USB power. And the idea is eventually, I haven't done it yet, to put a headphone adapter on it so I can run headphones off them. Just for a little extra volume for when I'm using something like this tablet. These Dell tablets have very low volume output. And the Dell people don't seem to be doing anything to fix the issue. Yeah. Oops, I just changed the song. So anyways, go to that song. I'm listening to some Black Label Society while I'm fixing phono plug adapters on speaker cables, because, you know, they suck, like my previous video said. And anyways, here's the little amplifier. It is supposedly 4 watts RMS per channel or whatever. I kind of doubt it. Anyways, these are little speakers that came in it. They do okay, but I wanted to hook up to something bigger. Just test it. And this gets a lot louder on the phone, by the way, because those Dells are just very low volume output. But yeah. Don't mind the mess on the floor. It was cleaned up, and then people made a mess again. There, that one was louder. So I just have one channel driving those 2 Wharfdales right now. But yeah, that's enough for that video. So, again, don't mind the mess. It's not my shop. I just help out Drew and the guys. And they make a mess sometimes. Jeez. Yeah. I tried not to record too much of the mess. Anyways, yeah. Does okay off the tablet. It's a little loud. It's louder off the phone yet. Should fire up one of these systems and plug it into the soundboard. They drove the headphones pretty darn loud when we were doing that. So yeah, 4 little $4 speakers from Bianca Moore's. Tiny little amplifier in it. I'm just using a little 1000 milliamp USB adapter. It was running off of a 0.7 milliamp one before. I just wanted to see if it made a difference. I might try building a 12 volt input to it instead of a 5 volt or something. I'll look up, see if I can get a little more power to that anyways. Yeah. Should work okay for headphones and whatever. Just don't crank it up all the way.